Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Najman Benyaris and I am from Dam Tribes. I would like to talk about the comparison between mechanical pencil and wooden pencil. As you can see, the mechanical pencil is more colorful compared to the wooden pencil, which is only have black and gray color. And the primary function of this pencil is to write something on the paper or anything that you need to write down. And the secondary function is for drawing. Now, we are going to talk about the lid. As you can see, the lid for the mechanical pencil, from the diameter factors, it is more big compared to the mechanical pencil. But the mechanical pencil offer you more precise and neat work because the lid is very small compared to the wooden pencil. Now, the wooden pencil, but the weakness of this mechanical pencil is that the lid will run out, so you just need to prepare a lot of lid. For the wooden pencil, the lid inside it, if you drop the pencil, it will break. So you will need to sharpen it every time, and sometimes it's very hard to sharpen it because the lid inside it has been broken. So you will sharpen for a long time until you meet the finest lid inside it. And last but not least, both pencils offer the same function, but I recommend to you mechanical pencil because it is suitable for writing, drawing, for mechanical drawing, and it's very reasonable to use. That's all for me. Thank you.